Alright, you guys, finally got checked in. I think it's a little after 4. You guys ready for a little room tour? My room here in Cuba. Let's go in and check it out. There we are, room 5818. Hopefully the card works. There we go. So, I was already in here quickly. There's me. Hola! Had to drop off my stuff because I've been waiting for a long time. So let's check it out. First of all, as you can see, I don't have any lights on. But right here, we have our closet. Some hangers, a bunch of hangers, which is good because most of the time when you're here, you're going to be here for a while. You're going to need the hangers. We got the ironing board. Sorry, the iron and the ironing board. I love the pattern on this. This pattern is so retro. Actually reminds me of my Nana's ironing board. And over here, we got the safe. Looking good, looking good. A little dresser here, 3 drawers. That's all I need. My suitcase. My hidden jackpot sticker on it. That way I know it's mine, excuse me. A couple extra blankets up here. Let's check this out. Oh, we got the sink. Hey, and it's me again. Hola! That's my Spanish lesson for the day. And we got our branded soaps here. Memories, shampoo, and bath gel. Which reminds me, I forgot to bring bath gel. Good thing they got some. I was hoping it wasn't a bar of soap. Let's check the water pressure. As you know, Cuba sometimes has troubles with the water. Not today. Not today. Don't worry, I'm not going to be running the water that much. It's dark in here, eh? I gotta find the lights. So here is the washroom. I did turn the light on already. We got the toilet. I don't know why, but they're always square toilets in Cuba. Always square toilets. And toilet paper. And more toilet paper. That is a good sign. There's no phone in the washroom, which is odd because there's always phones in the washroom for some reason. Let's check out this bathtub. That is deep. That is deep. Looks nice. Nothing to complain about here. Maybe a hair or two, which I just noticed. Yeah, I like the tiles in here. And then there's your shower. Hopefully I can figure out how to use this because I suck at hotel showers. I don't know why. And here is the main room. I'm gonna go straight through and we're gonna work our way back because I gotta get some light in this. Get some light in this room. There we go. Sorry about that. Now you guys see we got a nice little seating area here. Some footrests. Nice just to sit back and relax. A little bit of nice art. Got the king size bed there. With my 2 towels. There is no, I don't know what this means. Is there no fan? Should I push it? No. Oh, maybe because there's no ceiling fan? I don't know. Got my drawer and my nightstand. Work our way to this side. We got a lamp. Looks like there's one outlet here. And light switch back there. What is that for? I do not know. It did not look like it turned anything on. What is that? I don't know. There's something on the bed. So anyway, what do we have over here? We have our desk. Little TV. Another little sitting area here. Big mirror. Hola, it's me again. And yeah, so there's the desk. There's garbage underneath. Another little dresser over here. And put some clothes in there. And then what do we have in here? Ah, it's the fridge. Let's see. Should have water, pop, and beer in here, I believe. And there's nothing. Might have to call my butler about that. That sounds so weird. I don't even like saying that I have a butler. But hopefully they bring me some water because I gotta brush my teeth. You can't drink the water here. 20 degrees, the air conditioning feels like it's working nice. Let's check out outside. Got a little bit of a patio here. Is it open? Yes. There's no screen. Ooh, it is hot. So yeah, we got a little path here. I guess this would be a garden view, I'm assuming. A couple of chairs out here just to chill and relax. I will be closing this because I don't want any bugs in here. So yeah, lock that sucker up. Double lock it. So I'm hoping maybe there'd be some wildlife out here at night. Maybe some lizards or something. I don't know what else Cuba has in regards to wildlife. But yeah, that is basically the room right there. It's big, spacious, enough for myself. Be enough for two people, obviously. All right, so that's it, guys. That's my room for the next 7 days. I'm not gonna do a bed test. I don't trust the bed. I don't want to jump on it and it breaks or something and then I get charged for it. But feels not too bad. I'm gonna call the butler, get some drinks in this fridge, some water too. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, so you know when I post room reviews, restaurant reviews, and live streams. That's it from my room in Cuba. Stay tuned for the next episode. Adam C for Hidden Jackpots. I'm out. Ciao.